Job number J-20240752-2. This is video number 2 being taken after doing some drain snaking with a expanding blade cutter to target a couple of areas in the building drain. Currently we're looking at the city main sewer piping. Connection to the city main sewer is at 91 feet. Right now we're laying in the main sewer looking downward, downflow. Passing back into the lateral. Lateral here is 6-inch clay. Transition from clay to PVC at 68 feet. Looks like a test tee. Change in direction. Of note, there's a little bit of debris remaining in the lateral from doing some drain snake. We can see it on the inward of the bend here, to the left. The debris is loose. Another change in direction. We have a 6-inch Y passing back into 4-inch. Also at the bottom, right here, the camera goes over it, but at the bottom of the screen right now, we see a piece of loose debris, again shaken loose or loosened from doing the drain snaking. Prior to our drain snaking here, and then so that was the size reduction, and now here's our backflow or backwater valve that has had the backwater flap removed due to some previous ongoing issues with clogging, but that's the backwater valve body. Right here at this joint, we had a lot of food waste buildup accumulating on the PVC walls, so that has been removed very nicely. Through here is we have some elevated water. Goes from 42 back to 37. We just have a trickle of water flowing through the pipe, but we see we have a more significant puddling of water here instead of just a trickle. This would be an example of more like what we'd want to see the whole way through, just a gentle trickle. see a Y joining in on the right-hand side from the floor drain. At this joint too, we have had some food waste and looks like also some minerality buildup. There's a little bit of minerality remaining on the top portion of this glue joint. As we approach the joint, we can see the joint is a little bit separated, maybe not the best glue connection possible, and maybe some groundwater has been leaking in from the top to create that minerality structure. But we've loosened a lot of that, so we've got a path of flow on the bottom. We've got a little bit of minerality remaining starting at about 9 o'clock and extending through 12 o'clock over to about 2 o'clock position. Passing through another Y, branching off. You can see the run of the Y as we pass through. Starting to approach the stack. Access through the 4-inch PVC stack next to the utility sink.